Hello, good day. Article 69. The husband and wife shall fix the family domicile. In case of disagreement, the court shall decide. The court may exempt one spouse from living with the other if the latter should live abroad or there are other valid and compelling reasons for the exemption. This article refers to a legal provision that addresses the determination of family domicile in a marriage. It states that the husband and wife should jointly decide on where the family domicile will be. If they cannot agree on the matter, the court will intervene and make a decision. The court may exempt one spouse from living with the other if the latter should live abroad or there are other valid and compelling reasons for the exemption. However, such exemption shall not apply if the same is not compatible with the solidarity of the family. The provision outlines situations where one spouse may be exempt from living with the other. Based on the specific circumstances, there are two elements. One, living abroad or other valid reasons. And these are state that if one spouse needs to live abroad or there are other compelling reasons such as employment, health, or safety, the court may allow them to live separately. The second, solidarity of the family. However, the exemption cannot be granted if it undermines the core principle of the family solidarity. This principle emphasizes the importance of maintaining emotional, financial, and social ties within the family unit. Even if the spouse are living apart, the court rules here is to balance the individual needs and circumstances of the spouses with the family's overall unit. If living apart would disrupt the integrity or stability of the family, for example, by fostering division or neglect, the exemption will be not allowed. Here's how the balance works. Individual needs and circumstances. If one spouse needs to live abroad for work, educational opportunities, or for health reasons, the court may recognize that this is a valid need. Likewise, other compelling reasons like safety concerns or unavoidable family commitments might justify living apart. The court considers whether these reasons are legitimate and important enough to allow temporary or permanent separation. Second, family solidarity and integrity. The second part of the equation is ensuring the family solidarity is the legal and moral principle that emphasize the importance of maintaining emotional, financial, and social ties between family members. In this context, solidarity refers to the interconnectedness, the mutual support of the family, particularly between spouses and their children, if any. Disruption of integrity or stability. If the separation of spouses would cause harm to the family emotional or financial well-being or lead to neglect of family duties, for example, parenting, financial support, or emotional care, the court may deny the exemption. For instance, if the separation would lead to a breakdown in communication or emotional estrangement, the court would determine that the family stability would be at risk. Fostering division or neglect. The court may also be concerned about situations where one spouse neglects their duties or where the separation results in a lack of proper care for children or the other spouse. If the agreement is likely to lead to significant emotional or practical neglect of the family, this would be seen as incompatible with family solidarity and the exemption would not be granted. For example, a scenario. Valid reason for scenario is a spouse has been offered for a job abroad that are crucial for the family's financial well-being. The spouse need to live abroad for a few years to earn the necessary income to support the family. That's a valid reason for separation. Another is the court would first acknowledge that the reason for the spouse move in compelling and necessary for the family financial stability. However, the court would also look at how the separation would affect the relationship between the spouses and the family. If the separation risks causing emotional distance, neglect, or division, for example, one spouse is absent and unable to participate in family life or support the children, the court might be decide that the exemption is incompatible with the family's solidarity. That's what we call court consideration. This provision reflects the legal understanding that while spouses may have legitimate reason to live apart, still the bond and unity of the family should remain protected, which often takes precedence in the family law.